I want to use the swing. Let's take turns. You can go first. I want to use the slide. Let's take turns. You can go first. I want to use the seesaw. We can play together. Red Riding Hood, let's pull up the turnip, says Grandma. Little Pig, let's pull up the turnip, says the Red Riding Hood. Little Goat, let's pull up the turnip, says the Little Pig. We all gave Grandma a hand. Out pops the big bad wolf. They all run away. Which one do you like? Asked Mom. The apple or the banana? I like both of them, said Jack. Which one do you like? Asked Mom. Milk or orange juice? I like both of them, said Jack. Cash or charge? Asked the clerk. Charge, please, said Mom.